this is John, and today the Gen Z crew and I are going to share with you some healthy snacks.
For my snack, you're gonna need mango. You can get the one that's already sliced for you. These are from Trader Joe's, or you can get the one and cut it yourself, like a fresh one. And so you're gonna take your mango, I don't know how much you want, but you're just gonna take your mango, and then you're gonna get this seasoning. It's called tahini, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's just a seasoning, I don't know how to describe it. And then you're just gonna pour some on it. It kind of depends on how much you want, but I like a lot because it's good. And so it's really easy to make, and it's super simple and quick if you have everything. And you can also use it, you can also do it with a cucumber, and then you can squirt like lime on it or do whatever. So yeah, that was really quick and easy, and it's really good.
So my healthy snack of choice is an apple. It tastes good, it's portable, and my favorite apple is a Honeycrisp apple. So if you want them in perfect wedges, you'll need to use this, because if you just put it down on here, you push it down, eat. So, voila. Perfect wedges.
Hey guys, it's Dylan, and if you didn't already know, I'm actually a pescatarian. So today I'm gonna show you 2 fun snack options that will be quick and ready on the go. So the first easy snack is a yogurt parfait. What I do is I mix some plain yogurt with some vanilla yogurt, pretty simple, and then sometimes I get creative, add granola, pound cake, and sometimes chocolate chips, because chocolate chips make everything taste good. And the second snack also involves chocolate chips because, like I said, they're just the best thing ever. It's just like a quick trail mix. I would just use almonds, cashews, and then add the world's best thing.
So put away all those chips and candy and get yourself some healthy snacks. If you have any other healthy snack ideas, we would love to hear them, and so put them down in the comments section. Anyway, this is John, and I'll see you on another video. Bye.